Hi there and welcome to Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. Below is my web homepage hiteshchaudhary.com where you can access much more details about me. Now enough of theoretical stuff we have seen in last couple of movies. It's time to really get on with some actions. Now what we have in this movie for you is Msfvenom. Msfvenom is actually a combination of MSF encode as well as MSF payload. Now again you might be saying, hey Hitesh, what are the new technical terms that you are again saying and you haven't discussed these terms. Now MSF payload is actually a payload generator which can generate different kinds of payloads. Some of them we have already seen, like add users, getting a Meterpreter shell. All these payloads can directly be generated, and when these payloads run on a victim's computer, it directly gets you a shell back out here. Also MSF encode is really a great thing which actually encodes and makes it undetectable by lots of IDS, intrusion detection system, antiviruses and whatnot. And Msfvenom is actually very new in the Kali version of Metasploit, and it is sort of a combination of using both the utilities all at once. Although separate entities are also available, but really these are very much good when they comes on a pack. So let me go to my Kali Linux. Now what I can simply do, first of all let me quickly do a ls out here and show you what are the files being available out here. Okay, after that we have got Msfvenom out here. You can simply hit a -h option to find out what are the help options being available. So lots and lots of help options are available. Some of them useful ones are like -f. By -f option you can simply get a help format. What are the different formats in which you can generate your output file, and also you can apply Msfvenom -help formats to find out different formats which are available. Let me show you quickly that formats, and as I hit enter out here, it will within a moment it will show you what are the different kind of format that it supports. And to my knowledge it supports almost every commonly used, like DLL, exe, exe small, exe only, ELF, VBA files, shell, bash, everything it supports to my knowledge. And you have got a very interesting option, iteration, -b, that's for bad characters and all these. So let me quickly show you a very interesting example out here of it. Now here what we have done, we are using a payload by using a -p option, that is a Windows shell bind TCP. And by using a -e option, as it is being mentioned out here, let me show you that quickly as well. Here is the -e option by which you can find out the name of various encoders. The very popular one out there in the market is this one that says x86 Shikataganai, and really popular one, -b, to give or to eradicate some of the miscellaneous bad characters, you can say. In our case we have got the null character. Also -e you can use iteration. Okay, so let's, instead of 3, let me get it to a 9 iteration. Also I can use a -f option to get a exe file. Now simply let me redirect it to something more useful, like 2.exe. You can create a 1.exe, but mine 1.exe was already being created when I was trying all these things. So no need to worry much about the file name actually. What we are interested in the content of that file. So what it will does, it will generate a payload for us by using a -p option. It will also encode that particular payload so that it becomes undetectable by most of the antiviruses. Not perfectly undetectable, but in the later on movies we are going to see how to do that as well. And so we have got one, and we have iterated it to the 9. So let me do a quick ls. You can see a 2.exe is being created. Also interestingly, I have got a one very beautiful website out here that says virustotal.com, on which you can scan lots of suspicious files and URLs. Let me choose my file, that is 2.exe, that I have created just now. I'll open this file and I will put it on the scan. Now depending on the upload speed and what you have got here, that actually is really important. Also, after when your files get uploaded, there are dozens and dozens of people who regularly scans malicious URL and everything. So you need to be patient out here. Sometime you are in the queue and somebody else is scanning and the server cannot actually afford your such a bandwidth to scan all of it once, but it's really a good website. Okay, so we are lucky we don't have any queue in the way. My file is getting analyzed, and let me tell you what are the detection ratios out here. So remind that we have only iterated it for the 9 times. There is no harm to iterate it for the 19 times as well. Okay, so quite a good one. Some of them, many of them have actually detected it, but really some of them have skipped. Let's check out, and it's only detected 36 out of 48. Now let's check out. Baidu International hasn't detected it. Byte Hero, no heroism out there. Calm AV is also very calm, and there is a K7GW, Kingsoft, and Panda Antivirus. This is really a popular one out there. And the hacker Total Defense hasn't detected this file as a malicious one. So if the victim is having these antiviruses, it is of no good, but many antiviruses has detected it. Now that's really a problem we are going to sort out in the upcoming videos. But really you can see it says the detection ratio is 36 out of 48, and that's really a point to worry, because antivirus has got a simple job to detect every malicious things, and we have bypassed some of them. Still we haven't learned much out there for us. So we will make sure that we get out with the things really useful, and hope this demonstration was interesting as well. So see you soon in the next video with some more stuff. Thank you so much for watching.